This FELAMP Copper 4-piece cookware set is like a superhero for your kitchen. It comes with a 9.5-inch deep square frying pan. The pan has a glass lid so you can see your food cooking. Also included are a stainless steel fry basket and a steamer rack. These extras make cooking different things easy. The copper color looks nice. And the pan works on all kinds of stoves. Even induction. You can even put it in the oven and dishwasher. This FELAMP Copper 4-piece cookware set makes cooking simpler. The non-stick surface of this FELAMP Copper 4-piece cookware set is a dream. Food slides right off, and cleaning is a breeze. No more scrubbing stuck on stuff for days. The deep square shape gives you more space to cook bigger meals. The glass lid helps trap heat and moisture. This makes your food cook evenly and stay yummy. The fry basket lets you make crispy fries. And the steamer rack is great for healthy veggies. This set is a great value and will make your cooking process smoother. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-use cookware set, this is it. The FELAMP Copper 4-piece cookware set is durable and designed to last. It takes up less storage space than many other sets because of its smart design. While it's not some industrial strength pan you'd find on Abe books, it's perfect for everyday cooking. Forget about Teflon worries. This set offers a great non-stick experience. It truly earns its stars for making cooking enjoyable and cleanup quick. Pros: non-stick, ceramic, square shape, glass lid, fry basket, steamer rack, induction ready. Oven safe, dishwasher safe 4-piece set. Cons: smaller than expected, coating durability, handle looseness, not real copper, uneven heating, cleaning issues, customer service, long-term use features. Non-stick ceramic coating 9.5-inch deep square pan, includes a glass lid, stainless steel fry basket, steamer rack included, induction compatible base, oven safe design, dishwasher safe. For easy clean 4-piece cookware set, copper color exterior. This FELAMP 4-piece cookware set has a 9.5-inch deep square pan with a non-stick ceramic coating. It comes with a glass lid, a stainless steel basket for frying, and a rack for steaming food. The pan can be used on all types of stovetops, including induction, and it is safe to put in the oven and dishwasher. The outside of the pan is a copper color. This FELAMP 9.5-inch ceramic non-stick deep square frying pan set is a 4-piece cookware set that includes a glass lid, stainless steel fry basket, and steamer rack. It is designed with a square shape and a non-stick ceramic coating, making it induction compatible, oven safe, and dishwasher safe. However, some customers have noted that the set is smaller than they expected and have raised concerns about the coating's durability, potential handle looseness, and the fact that it is not made of real copper. There have also been mentions of possible uneven heating and cleaning issues, as well as questions about customer service and long-term use. Less than the pan might be smaller than you think. It has a non-stick coating but it's not real copper. Some people had problems with food sticking, uneven heat, and cleaning. The handle might get loose over time. We don't know how long it will last. Greater than